It's my impression that everybody wants to have a stress free. What the hell am I talking about? Look, it's my impression that everybody wants to have a stress free, successful, really productive day. But the only way to get that type of reality is to do the things at night. What the hell am I talking about right now? You have to prepare for the night before you can be successful the next day. We all know that, but a lot of times we just fall asleep scrolling, we fall asleep BSing, and we just don't really plan for the next day. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can plan to be successful and be the most productive that you possibly can be. So look, for years, man, I've always known that waking up in the morning was the best possible way of actually going throughout your day. When I say waking up in the morning, I mean waking up early, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever time it is to be prepared for the next day. Waking up early is the best possible way to do that. But everybody ain't no early bird like me. Alex Hormozy had something in his video. He was saying basically like he knows a lot of people who wake up 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And those people are rich. So you don't have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning like a maniac like I do. You could just prepare the night before and be successful. So I'm really want to walk you through maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 different things in this video where you can be prepared to be successful the night before. That way you successful the day after. What the hell am I talking about? Look, let's get right into it. So look, number one, you really have to review and reflect on the day in order to be prepared and be successful. All right. So how do you do that? You can't really plan for tomorrow if you don't reflect on the day. I really think it's important for you to reflect on the day. And I'm looking at this bookshelf over here because this is a book that I read by The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard. He always talks about, laying down the night before and using your mind to reflect over all the different past events and things that you did the day. That way you can really start to train your mental fortitude to become better. But I ain't gonna have you do that. All I want you to do is this. I just need you to reflect on what you did throughout the day in order to be the best possible way. You don't got to close your eyes, meditate, and do this. All you have to basically do is answer these 3 questions. What did you do that day or that present day that you accomplished? Did you sweep the floor? Did you wash the dishes? Did you wash your ass? Did something happen today that you accomplished that you really felt was really, really important? Now, I get it. It's like simple tasks that may be okay, but I really want you to push further. Did you work out? Did you complete that sales meeting? Did you make all your sales calls? Did you call your grandma? Right? It's certain things like that that makes you feel more accomplished throughout the day that you can force and be better for the next day. Now, the second question I want you to ask yourself is, what could you have done better? Could you have stayed on that call with your grandma an extra 2 minutes just to ask her how she was feeling? Or could you have went to the gym and went a little deeper in your squats and added a bunch of weight on there and strained your back? Like, really think about what you've done throughout that day to really push you further to become a better person, right? And then the next thing that I want you to do is, what lessons can you take tomorrow that you possibly learned today? By instilling and really learning exactly what you did in that day before and helping you to push further the next day is a great way to become better. All right. So again, review and reflect on your day in order to become better the next actual day. Now we're going to talk about step 2. Step 2, I want you to plan and prioritize your day. Plan and prioritize. Prioritize. Is that? Prioritize. All right. You get what I'm saying here. I need you to plan and prioritize. So there's a lot of power in setting a to-do list, right? Or just brain dumping. A lot of what I do is I'll take my handy dandy iPad, which my daughter typically uses, but you can take that iPad and just really just brain dump, man. I'm so happy and thankful, man. I got all these different things done, for this next day and these different things I don't want to do for tomorrow. I'm just be better at it. I'm going to do all these different things, blah, 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 blah. Just so brain dump, just write it down. And really what I would do is I would future project what my day is going to look like tomorrow. And that way you're helping yourself to be on the road or have a blueprint of what you actually want to do, but really plan and prioritizing by brain dumping. Now, the next thing is, this is the most important thing here. is that you need to write down 1, 2, 3 non-negotiables, 1, 2, 3 non-negotiables that you have to have for the next day in order to really ensure that your day is going to go easy. If you got a bunch of meetings like I typically do, sit down and say, listen, I'm going to fulfill all my meetings, and I'm going to make sure that these are the best possible meetings I ever possibly can give these motherfuckers, right? Because that's what you're getting paid for. Now, with those 3 non-negotiables, don't go over that, because I'm pretty sure you got some things that you want to do. You want to entertain yourself. You want to have fun. You want to do those different things, right? So look, just write down 3 non-negotiables that you're going to do in order to ensure that your day is productive and to make sure that you actually accomplish something. Don't write down something small like make sure I feed my dog. That ain't going to be good, all right? Make sure like work out, make sure you eat healthy, no snacks, like something like that, right? And then 3 is I always talk about this like time blocking. For me, I got this from the military, and something I've always really been big on because I'm tracking my time is that I always like to time block. Helping the time block is really going to help you to keep each and every single hour of your day, and it's going to help you to not skip out and do anything that's unnecessary. So if you need a nap, make sure you write that time block in there, 1 o'clock nap. Actually sound like a good idea. So just time block, and this is going to help you to really be productive, right? And it's going to help you to avoid distractions. It's going to help you to stop from being fatigued, and it's going to help you to be the most productive that you possibly can be. Now, the last thing, I'm gonna just keep it right here, and actually 2 more things, right? So step number 3 is that you need to make sure that your environment is prepared and set up for success. Like some of y'all motherfuckers is nasty, right? Some of y'all nasty. What you need to do is make sure that your desk is all cleaned up. Make sure that your work area is all cleaned up. Make sure that everything that you got around you is cleaned up. Make sure that you have an environment where you can study. Make sure you have an environment where you can work. Make sure it's just not cluttered down with mess. All right. So also what you can do is you can prepare your items for tomorrow. Like you remember going to school, the first day of school, you laid out your clothes, you laid out your socks, your drawers, your shirt, your pants, your hat, your shoes. And you was like, look, man, when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to be dead fresh. For some of y'all might have to go do that. Y'all might have to go lay out y'all clothes. Y'all might have to set up these different items to ensure that you are ready and prepared for the next day. But another thing I would say is that at night, turn off your notifications, dog. And for the next day, turn off your notifications, because when you get a notification, ding, and you doing something important, ding, 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 you taking your focus off. Focus on taking off those notifications in order to really turn up your focus mode. Okay. Now, the last thing, because I know we already at about 8 minutes and I don't want to keep y'all holding. All right. So the last thing is that at night, take your time to wind down. Take your time, get off your phone, sit there and imagine, sit there, visualize, sit there and try to do the different things that will take your mind away from all the BS that you went through. Your coworkers getting on your nerves, your mama getting on your nerves, your kids getting on your goddamn nerves. You need to take time away from the old. You need to take time away from the things that you are doing and really just relax. Limit your screen time and really just, again, visualize the most successful possible thing that you can do tomorrow. And it's going to help you to be successful. And now I said this is the last thing, but there's 2 more things I need you to do. Don't click off yet. Don't click off. Hold on. All right. I need you to like and subscribe and let me know what you think about this video. I'm always posting these videos every single time that I feel like it. All right. If I feel like I'm gonna drop these videos, so if you like it, just let me know. All right. And the next thing I need you to do is just go check out the book. I can't even talk, so I need to hurry up. Check out the book, Elevate Your Thoughts. All right. So I always talk about elevating your thoughts, helping you to become a better person. I'm giving you great value on there. So if you like this information that you heard so far, there's plenty more information in there. And I'm always willing to help you out to become 1% better. So there's more opportunity in there. Just got to go check it out and get up off your ass. All right. So I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. See y'all next time.